Hello and welcome to Dailytut video. In this video we will see a quick unboxing and review of the Rode Videomicro. It is going to be an indoor audio testing and I recently bought this and I was waiting to do this review before start using it. So I'm going to unbox it today quickly and do my the audio testing, like how it actually sounds. Right now the audio that you are hearing is from the Sony voice recorder, which I have connected it with a Lavalier headphone. It is a cheaper version, like around $20 to $30 it comes. So I have connected it with the Sony voice recorder to have a better audio quality, and all the processing and everything is done at this Sony voice recorder. So I'll be adding this clip to the video that you're watching right now. I'm recording this video, with a little bit background noise. The environment is not completely quiet, so you might be hearing, some horn sounds. I'm going to leave this audio as it is, the one right now I'm recording it from the Sony voice recorder, also that I'm going to record it from the Videomicro. So, for better understanding and for better, decision for you to make, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to do this, the unboxing first, quickly. Let's see the contents of the box. So here, the Rode Videomicro. So it comes with the microphone as well as the dead cat, right? So it's the dead cat, and I thought there'll be something else in this place, but there is a hole which shows to register your product, use the serial number and all. So here we go. So this is the microphone, the Rode Videomicro. I think we are good to open it. Okay, yes, here it is. It looks, the finish is completely premium. I'm going to use this on my Canon 80D camera. And the stand, the Rode stand, I compared it with the Rode Videomicro Go and a couple other models, and I found this is the best one, and I got it under best deal. So in the description of this video, I'll be including the best discounted link for you to purchase. So if you're planning to purchase it, do it from the description of this video. Click on the link and it will take you to the Amazon with the best discount applied to it. You can compare it with other sites and you can go ahead and proceed with the purchase. So this is the stand, mount that is going to be on the, to make the microphone stand on the Canon 80D, which I have here. So dead cat is mainly used for wind noise. So if I'm going to record it in the outdoor setup, then I may have to probably use the dead cat along with the microphone so that it will reduce the noise. And I'm going to test it in the indoor, indoor right now, because this background noise is quite heavy. So I always have to process the audio by reducing the level up the noise and reduce the noise and level up the volume. But in this video, I'm not going to do that, as I said. So I'm going to see like how with and without dead cat it is going to perform with the background noise of horns, that you can hear right now. So let's see how it actually works. So right now you are listening to the audio from the Rode Videomicro, and I will be switching to the Sony voice recorder audio as well as to the Rode Videomicro audio. So the background noise, you may be able to hear the noise, the horn sounds and everything. You can now listen to the audio quality of the Rode Videomicro. I really like this, like the Sony voice recorder. This is my first preference, but I, in order to go for vlogging style and not to wear any mic all the time while recording video, I think the Rode Videomicro will do a great job. In both scenario, whether it is Rode Videomicro or whether it is Sony voice recorder, I think that we need to process the audio in the post-production. It is necessary to adjust the volume to make it audible in when people watch your video from their mobile devices or tablets. They may not have great speakers, so it is important to boost the audio and level it up so that mobile devices and both the computer speakers can play it really well. The audience will be able to hear the audio pretty well. So I think for the indoor testing, this is pretty good. The Rode Videomicro will definitely do a good job. If your environment is completely silent and there are very less background noises, Then for indoor purposes, I definitely recommend this beautiful mic. I believe this video was really helpful for you to decide whether to go for the Rode Videomicro or to go for something like Sony voice recorder with a lavalier setup. Feel free to comment below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.